Amen. This time tomorrow, with the rising of the sun, when the new light has begun to shine, this time tomorrow, may we feel your presence still, and may the love of Jesus fill our mind. Christ, you are the same, yesterday, today, and this time tomorrow. May your voice be in our ears, and may we know that you are near to us. This time tomorrow, may we remember what we've learned, and may our hearts still burn with your love. Oh, Christ, you are the same, yesterday, today.
Christ, you are the same.
Oh, Christ, you are the same, yesterday, today. And as the light begins to fade, may all we lived and all we've made be worthy of your name, be worthy of your name. This time tomorrow,
Can we sing that together?
this time tomorrow.